right, let's take a look at the translation problems. So with these two, we have to know how to read this. They're saying we are going to move the trapezoid right 7, so x plus 7, and then down 3, so y minus 3. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either get your points first by adding 7 to all your x values and subtracting 3 from all your y values. That'll give you your points, and then you can graph them. If you prefer that way, that's perfectly fine. Or you can count each point. So like I can go to J and I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go down 3 and do that for each point. I personally prefer to do the addition and subtraction because I'm just more likely to miscount when I'm counting so many points like going right 7. I'm more likely to accidentally go right 6 or something like that. So I like to do the addition and subtraction first, but it's completely up to you. And I will kind of show you both ways. So I'm going to go ahead and count. So I'm going to go to J and I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down 3. 1, 2, 3, and put my point. And then it's kind of a good idea. Let me just make sure. Okay, is that at 1, 3? Yes, it is. So I have J prime right there, and then I can kind of do the others as well. So since I already did do the math, I can just plot 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put my point. So you can kind of see, I do think that's easier. It depends on, how comfortable you are with your integer operations, how likely are you to make a mistake, and that kind of thing. So for L, I'm going to put 6, 0, L prime. And then for M, so I'll go back to the other way just to keep showing you both. So I'm going to count over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down 1, 2, 3 to be at -1, -3. So I showed you two different ways, and it's up to you which way you want to do it. It does not matter. So now you can kind of notice I took this trapezoid and it got moved right 7 and down 3. So to the right and down, and that's what it looks like in my picture. So it looks like I did it right. So let's take a look at 4, another translation problem. This is a square. I have graphed it here, and we are going left 4, down 1. So again, I can do either way. I am going to do my addition and subtraction. So what this means is -2 minus 4 and y minus 1. So -2 minus 4 is -6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I can plot -6, 0, which is r prime. Let's do that for 3 fourths. So 3 minus 4 is -1, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. So now I can plot -1, 3. So -1, up 1, 2, 3. So that's S prime. I can do the same for T. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and -1 minus 1 is -2. So 1, 2, and down 2 gives me T prime. And then finally U would be -4 minus 1, and that gives me 1 minus 4 is -3, and -4 minus 1 is -5. So that's going to put me at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, U prime. And then I will just connect those. And there is my square.